Hey everyone, today in this lesson I'm going to teach you a particular topic, that is there could be particular topics related to this only, that is whether you could say it is individual responsibility or whether government is responsible for this. So in writing task 2 you could get these type of essays. So the essay topic could be related to healthcare, education, that is educational fees, or it could be related to environment, whether it is individual's responsibility, for instance to save the environment, or it is government responsibility. And the last could be related to public facilities. So whether it is public, that is individual's responsibility to maintain the parks, that is public parks and any kind of infrastructural facilities, or whether it is government's responsibility to maintain such public facilities. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you two ideas for each of this, so that whenever you get this type of essay in writing task 2, you could get the idea that that could be related to healthcare, education, environment and public facilities. So you could use these ideas in such type of topics, and the essay could be the discussion essay, that you have to discuss both the views, that is whether it is individual's responsibility or government responsibility for such topics, or that is for these topics. Or you could get agree disagree essay also, that is you could get some agree and disagree essay also for this, that is for government responsibility, or for that is whether you agree that it is responsibility of individual, or whether you agree that it is responsibility of government. So I'm going to give you two ideas for both of the responsibilities, so that you could write it accordingly, and so that you could get an idea at that time what to write in such type of essays. Now I'm going to give you two ideas, that is two ideas for each topic, that is whether individual is responsible or government is responsible. So what you have to do is, the first idea is it will make every individual a responsible person. So if we give responsibility to individuals for this, then definitely it will make individual a responsible person. Then they will just learn that how to be responsible. They will learn that how to just complete their responsibilities towards the environment or towards themselves also. And the next point is, if individuals will be made responsible, then biasness among people could be diminished. Diminished means decreased. So if individuals will be made responsible, if we give responsibility to individuals for any kind of purpose, then definitely biasness among people could be diminished, because people have to pay their educational fees, then they are not dependent on others. So biasness among people will decrease. There are some people who are jobless, who do not want to do something. On the other hand, there are also some people who are employed, who are very hard working people. So for such people, the biasness will be diminished, because they have to pay their own for their own responsibilities, that is for whatever they want to take care, for public facilities or for healthcare system, or to save the environment, that is to conserve the environment. Then they have to pay by themselves only. So biasness among people will be decreased. So next is government is responsible. Why government is responsible? The first point is every individual pay tax. Government is responsible because every individual pay tax. We all pay tax to the government. So government is responsible to facilitate us with such facilities, whether it is to facilitate us with such facility, whether it is healthcare facility, or it could be educational facilities also. And the next point is everyone could not afford. Why government is responsible? Because everyone, that is every individual, could not afford such facilities. Every individual could not afford to pay their educational fees. Every individual could not afford to pay their healthcare fees, or every individual could not afford to for such kind of public facilities. So that is the reason it becomes government responsibility to provide us, to dispense such facilities. So now you can understand that if you get such type of essay, whether agree disagree or discussion essay, or it could be discussion essay also, then you could write these ideas, that is 2 ideas for each topic at that time, so that instantly you will get the idea that what to write about such topics in IELTS writing task.